By the end of this course, you'll be able to design professional book covers that sell without being a designer. My name is Ian Stables, author of more than 50 Kindle books on Amazon. People do judge a book by its cover, and they will judge a poor quality cover with being a poor quality book. So you have three options. So you could pay a professional designer to create one for you, but that's usually expensive. You could create your own, but unless you're a designer, chances are high you'll end up with an amateurish result. Or you could find a way of creating one without being a designer. So which one is your easiest option? I bet you're a bit like me. You like a simple way of doing things too. This course will show you the simple way to design a professional cover without being a designer. Now, if you follow this simple process, you will get a professional result every single time. The process is based on this simple fact. If you want to be successful, model someone successful. The process follows these steps. Find out the right look for your book subject. Find out the right color and texture for your background. Then find the right picture for your cover. And then find out the right fonts, sizes, colors, and position for your text. And then finally, just simply create your cover based on your choices. So learn this simple process. Go ahead, click on the button to enroll now.